So you need to download their quick app and update it before you can use the GoPro 10. Alright, so right away we notice that the camera is as stylish as the 9. And so far, after we updated, it works great. The movement is amazing because there's no play in it. But you guys know what a GoPro looks like, so let's show you the footage quality. Alright, this is under activity. The last one was 4K at 30 frames. This is activity. So as you can see, the frames just go right with it. So this is 4K at 60 frames per second. Super view. And it's amazing. So you can do 4K 60 frames per second with super view. You can do 4K at 120 frames per second under wide. You can do standard 2.7K at 240 frames per second with wide. You can also do 5.3K at 60 frames per second. And that's just tip of the iceberg. This is amazing.